supposed to be 100 degrees today? Yes, but I'm cold, so I put on a hoodie. Later in the day, I'm gonna be like, why did you do that? It's so hot. Anyways, hey guys. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna be doing a summer morning routine, and it's currently 8:10. But yeah, I just woke up, and now I'm gonna go pick out my outfit. Okay, so I think I've chosen my outfit. I'm gonna wear this tank top and some plain denim shorts. I wanna say I wore this in like one of my recent videos, but that's okay. Like, if it's a good outfit, I'm gonna rewear it. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll see you soon. I ended up just putting the hoodie back on. It's still kind of cold. But yeah, my shorts are from Glassons, my top is from Rip Curl, and this hoodie is from Hurley. But yeah, now I'm gonna get ready and fix my hair because we're in the bedhead. And I'll show you my little summer makeup routine. My mom's making a smoothie right now, so hopefully you can't hear the blender, but if you can, that's what it is. Okay, so I've got my little makeup bag. And I'm kind of just going to show you what I do. I'm just going to fix my hair first. I've been using these hair ties in my ponytails for the last couple of days, and they're actually turning out really good. It's probably going to turn out bad now that I said that, but it just like makes it look nice and loose. Okay, I did my ponytail. I think it turned out pretty good. Anyways, now I'm gonna get ready. I usually do my hair after my makeup, but it was bugging me too much, so I had to put it up. Anyways, now I'm gonna show you my summer makeup routine. The first thing that I use is this Clea recipe toner. Sometimes I'll use the Tower 28 one, but I wanna use this one today. I don't use it every day, but I feel like it looks better when I do. Then I use this moisturizer. Then I use this tinted sunscreen. I don't know where it's from, but my mum got it. Also, I tried to film this video like last week, and I was trying to edit it, and it was just not it. Like, it didn't look good at all. I don't know what I was doing, but anyway, so I'm refilming it, and I just put the tinted sunscreen kind of all over my face. But one of my friends showed me that you can put it like under your eyes as a concealer. Then I use this blush. It's just a dupe for the NARS one, I think it is. Also, so the other day I changed my profile picture and I thought it was really cute. My friend took it. I was at her birthday party and we were trying to take like cute little candid photos, and she was like, oh, do a star jump. So I tried, but me being clumsy, I landed really silly, and then that's kind of like what was happening in the photo. But I thought the picture was so cute, and then when I changed it, I made like a poll, do you like the new profile picture? And at one point, no was winning. It doesn't really bother me. Like, I like the picture, so I'm gonna keep it, but I just thought it was kind of funny. Now I use this clear mascara. It's basically finished, as you can tell by it looking very foggy. I did get a new one, but I'm not gonna open it until I finish this. And I just use this on my eyebrows and sometimes my eyelashes. Also, I think I'm like 10 away from 600 subscribers, which is crazy. And then I use just like a spoolie to brush down my eyebrows a little bit, like this. Then I curl my eyelashes. I feel like I only just realized that there's only a couple weeks left of summer, which is really sad. Summer's my favorite season, but I am kind of looking forward to the cozy winter outfits. I know I won't be saying that then because during the winter I'm just freezing. But I do like being cozy in my little outfits. Once I'm done curling my eyelashes, I just use like a spoolie to brush them out a bit, and it kind of just separates them a bit better. The last thing I'll do is use like a lip product of some sort. My friend got me this GUYSSSS one. I'm not going to put it on yet because I still need to eat breakfast and brush my teeth, and that would just be a waste. So once I've done that, I will put this on. Yeah, that's it for my summer makeup routine. Now I'm going to put on my jewelry, and then I'm going to go make some breakfast, brush my teeth, and I think I might do a journal page, maybe make some cookies. I've been wanting to do these Nutella stuffed ones. Hi guys, so I just took off my hoodie. I was getting too hot, but now I'm gonna do a journal page. I already had breakfast and brushed my teeth. Also, this is Letty. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, so I think I'm just gonna look on Pinterest for a bit for inspiration. Also, my sisters are playing outside, like right out my window just there. So sorry if you can hear them. They're not very quiet. So I finished my page and this is how it turned out. I think it looks so cute. It was my idea, but I was inspired by a couple Pinterest pictures, so I'll put the inspo on the screen. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment any video ideas that you want to see, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.